put the good in the good in the good life. Put the good in the good in the good life. I said the good life. Bad in the past, now we on it. We alright. Yeah.
Know about our last event last week?
Assalamualaikum. Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, madam.
Have a seat everyone.
Thank you, madam.
Madam, so this is our agenda for today. Oh, thank you, Miss Asma. Without delaying any time, Miss Asma, is everybody present for the meeting?
Yes, madam. We have received an apology from the Mr. Jahan is on a station in Italy.
Oh, thank you, Miss Asma. Can we proceed to next item regarding of the minutes from the previous meeting?
Yes, of course.
Okay, alright then. Can I know sign the minutes of the previous meeting, correct?
Sure, madam. So this is our previous minutes of meeting. You may sign here.
Okay, thank you. Are there any matters arising for the minutes that we need to discuss?
Yes, madam. I wish to state that Mr. Khairi has accepted to training in Pastry Central in Thailand. He will report for duty on 25 June 2020.
Okay, Miss Fatimah, I will take it.
Are there any amendment?
Yes, madam. For the last event,
We did not reach target that we want for sale on that day.
Thank you, Miss Dayang. I will take a note on this.
Since there are no other matters arising from the minutes, we shall go to the next agenda. From the previous event, I noticed that our supplier did not deliver the enough amount that we asked to. Miss Dayang, can you elaborate about this?
yes, madam. I also noticed the decrease in sales on the event. Here we can see the comparison based on the event, the recipe that we used to launch our new menu.
But don't worry, I already did a postmortem with a meeting department, okay?
Alright then, thank you, Miss Dayang. So let's move to our next discussion. Are there any other amendment?
Yes, madam. I get a lot of comment from our customer that our menu don't have variety of choices, and also the price is immoderate.
Okay, I will bring this issue to my department. Any other issue?
Yes, madam. I noticed that we still lack of workers in kitchen department. I wish that I can hire more new workers.
Nice idea. I will take it.
Okay, any matters arising?
Yes, madam. I noticed that our store is still not satisfactory.
Okay, I will take a note about that also.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, madam. I want to suggest that we can set up a franchise in a future.
Oh, interesting. I will bring this to the higher authority.
Wow, nice idea.
Nice idea.
Yes, madam.
I think we can upgrade our payment method due to high request to contactless payment.
Good idea, Dayang. Okay, anything else?
No, madam.
Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, see you guys next meeting, alright?
Okay.
Right.